For day 6 of the Shelly Flex Athletics 12 Days of Flexmas Challenge, we're going to be working on drop backs. For the beginner level, we're going to start laying down on your back. You're going to press up into your wheel, and then you want to work on sending the weight over your hips and starting to walk up the wall, trying to stay as lightly as you can on the wall. For the intermediate version, you're going to start facing the wall. Legs are going to be about shoulder width apart. You're going to bring your chest to the wall, arching your head backwards, and then you're going to start pulling your head back further away from the wall, and then starting to roll down the wall, bringing your stomach to the wall, starting to bend your knees, bringing your arms slowly overhead, and then dropping all the way back into your bridge. For the advanced version of this challenge, you're going to do a freestanding drop back. So you're going to send your hips backwards, making this C shape with your back. Arms are going to be up over your head, and then you're going to arch your head back, sending your hips forward as you bend the knees, continuing to send those hips forward, dropping back into your bridge. From here, you're going to rock back and forth, sending those hips forward as you stand